Hey guys, Robert Taylor here from American Trail Products. Today we're going to take you through an install on our new A-pillar light brackets designed to fit the Jeep Cherokee KL. The great features of this product is it mounts with 2 bolts. We have a unique system here where it swings into place. That means when you install it, you can do that without having to realign your hood or worry about any kind of problems there. You bolt it in with a single bolt and it just swings into place. We've also provided a couple zip tie holes here to hold the wiring in place. 3/16 steel, laser cut, CNC bent, powder coat finish. Let's get busy and install this.
Begin by removing the upper nut on the hood mounting bracket. Next, install the light bracket as shown and snug the nut down to keep the hood from moving. Now loosen the lower nut just far enough to rotate the bracket into place and tighten the hardware. Now, install the light and ensure proper clearance between the windshield and the light to avoid any damage. Next, shut the hood to make tightening the hardware on the light that much easier. Finally, secure the wire with a zip tie using the slot provided on the bracket. For more information, check out our website at AmericanTrailProducts.com.